Now, before moving on to the next phase of WordPress theme development, yes, we have to develop our own theme in order to know every aspects of WordPress. But before moving on to that process, the very first thing that we need to know is about the WordPress itself, its documentation and all about the dashboard things. Those are present over here. So that is why we will be now reaching into the dashboard item. This is the project Learn Simple. If we click here, we can see that this is the website. So far there's no logged in account, and that is why it is being observed as it is. But if we now get down and there goes the login, click here, put the username and the password that we had copied in our last tutorial. So this is the username and this is the password. Now all we need to do, we need to provide this username here and password. Now log in, and this is the dashboard. So this is the dashboard control panel of an admin, from where you can control all the aspects of this WordPress site. We will be soon knowing about it. But first of all, let's know about some advantages and disadvantages of WordPress. We have to make some analysis on it in order to know WordPress completely. Now, WordPress is the largest CMS used in the industry. Nowadays, at least 27% of all the websites on the internet use WordPress as their CMS. There are many advantages choosing the WordPress as your CMS. Besides, there are some important factors those should be considered before utilizing it to publish your web content. We should talk about both. Now, the advantages of WordPress site. The first thing that we will be knowing about it is the user-friendly CMS. It is practically very easy and ready-to-go content management system. No need to have a high level of coding to understand the CMS and begin working with. That means it will be very easier for any beginner or a general publisher to publish their web contents. There won't be absolutely any problem with it. The next advantage is its open source structure. Plenty of available working code online. This is the key advantage, as anybody can use the code to develop site to save developing time and cost. And the best feature of WordPress framework is it is free. The next thing we will be knowing about it is many available plugins. Plugins plays a key role in case of WordPress theme development. More than 50,000 available plugins are there to assist WordPress sites, which can be used to customize and enhance the quality of it. One must ensure the need and quality of plugin to employ it. This plugin plays a very crucial role in case of WordPress. We'll be soon knowing about all of these components over here into this left panel. First of all, these are just the advantages that we are discussing about. The next thing is search engine optimization, which we call as SEO. Now, these days, it is a very crucial part that helps you in indexing your web page. Now, to find the content of yours among the thousands of others and keep up a healthy site ranking, it is very important thing that we maintain proper SEO for our web pages. Provisions are there in two ways. The first one is manual employment of tags. So you can provide tags manually into your WordPress website, or on the other way, you can use some available plugins to do the job for you. As I have told you, there's a lot of good things around it. One of the greatest feature of WordPress website is plugin. So you can use any kind of tag generating plugin to make your site a healthy and good one. And the last of them is responsiveness. Now, there are thousands of responsive themes available online. Those support mobile-friendly structures for your WordPress website. You know that since the last decade, mobile has been a crucial issue in case of any website's indexing or ranking. We'll be creating our own Bootstrap-powered mobile responsive structure into our WordPress. And another thing, this fast and simple construction. It has less complication to be installed within a web hosting server, such that it reduces the time span of installing and ready to begin with. Another thing is convenient use. In short, it can be said that the CMS is friendly towards the non-professional person. One can easily use WordPress structure and start working with, as we have discussed this thing as before. And the price. This is one of the most important factor. All the factors above reduces the cost of your project. So this is an important point of difference with the other CMS found in the market. So all those things, those are practically advantages of a WordPress site. But on the other hand, there are some disadvantages of using WordPress as your web content CMS. We need to know advantages, but we won't be knowing about disadvantages. So this is not a very good thing. So that is why I should be discussing on the disadvantages.